Stock option sniper here. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you had an amazing week, an amazing trading week. We're going to the weekend. We're going to end the weekend to go to a weekday. So if you have a setup that is tomorrow for Monday, please double check those setup and make sure everything is correct. So to get to right to point here, this chart right here, I was showing an example of retail versus bank. So excuse that. But today we're going to talk about something very, very important, which the bank will hate me for this, right? So let's go real quick to a random stock, whatever stock you guys want. Let's click NEO. I don't know what NVDA. Who cares? Go to Meta, right? Well, I haven't played Meta in a while, so this was. Look at this, guys. Check this out. If you trade retail, this is how your screen is going to look, right, on a higher time frame. Look at this. You can even see. I don't even remember. I don't know what the hell is going on here, right? I guess I was given play puts below all of that, but if you watch my channel and you're watching up to this point, I know your chart has completely transformed and is much simpler for you to find better setup, right? So let's go to any time frame. I show you guys how to master any time frame. Let's go to 4 hour. Why not? Right? Make sure we see everything. Let's go to the daily. Make sure we see everything. Let's go golden goose on them, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my golden goose. I show you guys everything and why I call it the golden goose. So why will bank hate me for this? Because the banks, as you guys can understand, the banks see orders in the markets, right? The bank see orders. That's what makes them great. Know when to sell, know when to take that price, and know when to bounce and take that price to the price wherever they want, right? But I'm gonna share a good news with you guys. We also see the orders like the banks. So if you trade smart money, you understand where the banks are leaving their footprint. Therefore, you understand and see what they see too, right? So just real quick, how do I do that? If you watch my video on liquidity, I show exactly what I'm going to talk about here as well, right? This one is going to be a little bit detailed. So as you can understand, liquidity, where are the most order lies in the market? It lies here. This blue is the orders, okay? Let's make this another color. Let's make it purple, right? So we know it's like a unique color. Purple, right? We know most order lies here. We also know, that's right, you guys, orders lie on top here. So just to give you a hint, most order lies from where the protective highs and lows are, right? If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my video on structure. I have that here. Sorry about that. Right here, structure, market structure. Understanding market structure in a single video. Go watch that, right? Most order lies here, okay? Most order lies here. You guys see that? So you guys see the orders of the bank as well. If you understand trade, if you trade smart money, right? The banks leave their footprint. How do they leave their footprint? Well, as you can see right here, they have imbalances, right? They create imbalances in the market. If you don't know what imbalance is, I show you guys. I have a video on that too, right there, market imbalance. Watch that right now. They're leaving their footprint. They move the market so fast that we see, us smart money see this, that the bank's footprint was here. Meaning, why is this so important? What is this, right? Whatever you can call it, fair value gap, whatever you want to call it. They left their footprint when they stepped in this play. They moved the market so fast that their footprint was left behind, right? So therefore, we understand the price at one point, price in the future, not one point, price in the future will come back up to fill in these gaps because we know that smart money has orders here. What does that mean? So right now, when this move happened, they are down big time in those plays, right? The thing about banks, I said smart money. The thing about the composite man is that they have so much money, so they don't need to get emotional. But it's different for us because we do not have the amount of capital that they have. So therefore, they don't care if they're down billions on this play, right? 10 billions. Why? Because we understand that in the future, they're going to have a certain amount of catalyst. So hang on, before I create what I'm talking about here. So let's say these are gaps that needs to be filled. I'm going to just stretch it, right? These are gaps. Let's find another gap just for you guys so it makes a lot of sense, right? Let me see. Is there any more gaps? There's got to be a lot more gaps, but this is not allowing me see. Look at that. There's gaps right here too. Okay. There's gaps everywhere. There's market. The, there are gaps everywhere, right? That needs to get mitigated. You guys see that? There's gaps everywhere. You guys can see if you really look, you will see that there's gap. But for the sake of the video and save time for everybody, we understand that the composite man has orders here and they're negative. So right now the composite man is negative on those positions. So what they have to do in the future is they have to bring it up to get those prices to get their money back, right? Because they already liquidated all those lows that it was creating. What I'm saying is that they liquidated the lows here. They liquidated the lows here. Where is that? 120. They're going to liquidate the lows here. Not financial advice. Not saying Meta will go all the way down there, right? Only my perspective. Do your own due diligence. Not financial advice, right? So Meta is going to liquidate all the orders here. Okay, all the orders here. Liquidate these lows, and once they liquidate those lows, they're going to come back. They're going to come back, get all those orders, right? Liquidity grab all those liquidity and go back up and liquidate everybody that have position on those that took that down move, those stop sells, those buy stop, and liquidate everybody going up, right? Now, therefore, they're break even on that position, right? How does that happen? I show you guys how to trade catalysts and stuff like that, that they fueled the market saying, oh, the market is now good, anything, those are fuel. Every move was already calculated before that news was even going to happen, was going to happen. Everything was already calculated, right? So as you guys can see that, and let me delete everything real quick to show you guys what I'm talking about here. So as you guys can see right here, we have individuals that try to, maybe in this position, try to go retail traders. And if you have not seen my video on retail versus bank, go watch that right now. It'll make sense, right? Right, we have individual here. Oh, it's a demand zone. It went up here. Oh yeah, it's a demand zone. So what happened here? How come it never held? It never held. Oh, that's just how the market is. It's not perfect, which is true. It is not perfect. Just because you drew a demand zone, sometimes is gonna hold and sometimes it's not, right? But if you understand here, prices had to be liquidated. Where is the most liquidity again? Where is the most orders in the market? It is down here, right? It is down here. So we know in the future it is down here. We have market imbalance. We have market imbalance here. When this move happened, there's a fair value gap, right? Right. We have moves that the composite man made and left their footprint behind, which was here. Their footprint was behind when they made that up move, right? So what they had to do was mitigate all those imbalances that they had, right? You can see right there. This is another one. Look at this. Another one. Another one, right? Right here. Look at that. You guys see this? And look. So from that, if you guys don't know how I'm drawing this, go check out my video on imbalance, right? I show you guys how that works. Look at this, you guys. So you guys like, oh my god, what happened here? It's probably a catalyst. I don't know what happened, to be honest. I don't know if they said Meta or Mark Zuckerberg is getting sued. I don't know, but there was a huge news. No, but we already knew at the end of the day that these imbalances needed to be filled, needed to be mitigated. We knew that already. That's literally why I have a video on catalyst and how to trade catalyst. Right? I don't recommend trading catalyst. I hate trading on market catalyst like that. But all the moves are already calculated. They be like, oh, it tanked because Mark Zuckerberg had a bad news. Facebook, Meta is this, bad for the kids, bad for that. Right? And look at it. It made this parabolic candle like it was nothing. And for those individuals that said, oh, this is my demand zone, which is retail trader mostly, this is my demand zone, they always get screwed. Always get fucked on their plays, right? Oh, I have my zone here. I have my zone here. I have my zone. What happened? Boom. Break to that zone like it was nothing. Catalyst, blah blah blah. No stops. No, they had no stop loss because what they always do is, I want the money today. I want the money today. Trading with no setup, not even understanding the story of the market. So what happened? breaks right through that, complains, saying, "Oh, now I got to average down. I got to average down. Right, I'm gonna average down here. I'm gonna average down." And what happened? Once we go back there, we go down even lower. Right? You guys see that? You guys see that? I hope you guys are understanding what I'm talking about here. And for those individuals, this right here, we knew we was gonna go test down here. We knew. Let me move this. We knew that there was orders that needed to get liquidated here, right? This lows. Why? Because where is the most order lies in the market? I keep saying it over and over. Where is the most order in the market? It's down here. It's down here. It's down here. There's a lot of orders here. So what I had to do, liquidate that. It's down here. What do we have to do? We're going to liquidate that. Like I said, it's not financial advice. But once you see, what's the date today? What's the date? Today's October 9th. October 9th, right? Today's October 9th. So, hang on, I got a text message, you guys. Excuse me. October 9th. If you see Meta at 123, and maybe it's a catalyst from 133 to 123, is that liquidated move, we know the Meta is going to come down here because once again, most orders are lying here. We know that. It's right below here. We know that. Why? The composite man took an order. Look, there's a market imbalance here. The composite man left their footprint here. Their footprint is here. They moved the market up exponentially to make this move. Now they're down on those positions that they have. So they have to get that back. How are they gonna get that back? By liquidating every lows here. And if you understand this is why I started this video. The banks will hate this video. They will hate this video. And it's crazy because ever since the channel, when I started trading smart money, you guys keep saying, "Oh, you keep saying the same thing over and over." I ain't saying it over and over. Look at this, you guys. This is the reason why I keep saying things over and over, because some of you are still not getting it. And that's okay. I don't everybody learns in this, everybody learns in their own pace. But guys, I'm gonna make 1,000 videos. I don't know for how long, but as long as I'm breathing, I'm gonna keep making these videos. I'm gonna keep talking about the same thing over and over. Okay? Some of you love it, some of you don't, which is cool too. But I know some of you that don't love it is using the same exact strategy, and you guys are getting great result, right? I literally get DMs from Instagram saying, "Hey, I tried your liquidity video. Hey, I tried that video. I understand where price is going. I'm more confident in holding my plays long term because I know where it's headed." Literally, you believe me or not, I have individuals sending me those messages, which I truly appreciate, you guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. It's October 9th, and I have video on autopilot that will be uploaded every single 3 days. I have videos right now, content right now. I don't have to show you guys. I have content right now that needs to be uploaded, that is going to automatically upload every 3 days, all the way up to November 7th. And this video is for November 7th, 8th, 9th. This is for November 10th, this video you're watching, and it's October 9th right now. And this video will be uploaded November 9th or November 12th. I have to talk to my assistant to upload that, right? But as you guys can see, the banks, they see all the orders, but we see all the orders too. We see it too. We see all the orders, right? I show you guys those market imbalances. That's the footprints of the bank. We know that price has to mitigate. You don't believe me? Just watch this. You see that? You see that right there? That huge parabolic green move from here to there? And I'm gonna stretch it and look where it had price to go. They had to fill that up. They had to liquidate all those orders, and what happened? Take price higher. You guys see that? Now that a lot of orders are here, where are we at now? Liquidated. Look at that. Every move is calculated. Every move is calculated, you guys. Every move. Right? Obviously, there's a lot more that goes into it. You have to draw the proper zone. If you are not yet part of my mentorship, I don't give that out because those are all for exclusive content for my mentorship. If you want to be part of that, be surrounded with other traders and have deep dive into this. It takes about 2 to 3 hours sometimes. It is on the link in the description. It's my Patreon, right? But you don't need that. Just listen to this. You don't need that mentorship, right? You don't need that. Just listen to what I'm giving you. Go watch my channel. Go invest the time and learn this yourself. It's not financial advice, but go test it. Go back test it. Go back test this for yourself. And I guarantee you, your trading will become more different. You will be more profitable in the market. You will understand more why you're getting into these places instead of blindly saying that where are we, or instead of being in somebody's Discord and waiting for a play to be thrown at you. Right? I guarantee you, every single one that I've had referred to these videos always come back to me and said, dude, your videos are fucking awesome. Right? So you look at that, I show you guys structure. If you're in a lower time frame, as you can see right here, this itself is a structure right here. Right? This itself is a structure. From here to there. Okay? You guys see that? Right? Where was that last up move before the down move? What's going to happen here? It's right here. See? This was no surprise. This was no surprise. This is my zone. Structure, SND. Look, I'm going to take this out. Okay? That entire structure, that last down move before the up move. Okay? You wait for price to come up here. You wait for price to come down here. And what happened? Sorry, there's somebody passing by. So you heard that noise. Right? Price will come down here. Where are we? Price will come down here, right? Price goes up. Okay, cool. Price will come down here and we're looking for price to go higher. How do we confirm this? If we're in the weekly right now, I don't really know which time frame in the rule of 30. But if you watch my video on the rule of 30, go check this yourself on Meta. Right? This right here, if you go to the lower side weekly, let's go to the daily. Okay, go to the daily. There's that play. Let's look for it. If you look at this, this was a confirmation of weak hands transfers to strong hands. Right? You had a spring right here. Spring is this. Make it simple for us. Right? You have the price consolidating. Boom, you have those liquidation of these lows. What happened? You get that up move, tested that spring, sign of strength, breaking that structure, and just goes up higher and over, higher and higher, and get that markup, and boom, gold price leaves without you. Is this what happened here? That spring, tested that spring, mark up, and the prices go higher and higher. Is that what happened here? Exactly. You guys see what I'm talking about. You guys see what I'm talking about, right? And I showed this over and over and over, and I will keep showing it over and over and over and over. Okay? Guys, the banks does not have an advantage against us other than capital. Right? And probably some other stuff, but overall, you guys know where the bank are leaving their footprint. I just showed you, we just went over it. Right? The bank knows where the orders are, and we also know where the orders are, and we take advantage of that so we do not get faked out. And if we do get faked out, we already have risk management right behind it. Right? Because we know that every single strategy works. You can flip a damn coin and say it's heads, calls, and it's tails, puts. The only thing that makes it a greater strategy is when you have risk behind it. Family, I thank each and every one of you once again, those who are subscribed and constantly showing me love and support. Right? We have a lot of videos. Right now we're growing. We just literally started this channel, and the amount of result that we're getting and the amount of love we're getting is I'm not surprised, right? I'm not even surprised, being truly humble, because the values and content that we're putting out is so amazing and we're changing people's lives. So next year, next 2023, we're gonna go crazy already. We know that already. The value that we're producing, the content, the impact that we're making is already amazing, right? And for those of you that are taking it to the next level, show me so much love and supporting me in my merch side, representing Stock Option Sniper. We put it right on our chest, right? Snipers right here. Look at that, my favorite T-shirt right here. The candlestick with the scope. We're sniping those candlesticks, right? If you're in New York, get those hoodies. We got female long sleeve, also female hoodie. We got those hats. We got them in different color. Look at that. Come on, right? We also got the polos. We got the Stock Option Sniper like on our YouTube right here. Guys, we got it. I got it for you guys. Don't worry. I took care of us. right? We got them for the females. We got them in different colors. Look at the female hoodies for the purple. And this is a hitter right here. I know you guys love this, right? Look at that. Come on. Look at that. I just like those bright color. You know, I love to stand out. Got them hats. Oh my gosh. Come on. Look at that trucker hat. Come on. Woo. Come on. Right? Family, I thank you once again for staying to this long. If you did stay this long, if you're not, hey, that's cool. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. If you think that you understand or don't understand, comment. I'll answer those questions personally myself. And guys, have a great, amazing trading day tomorrow. Trade safely. I'm out. Peace.